Did you know that you could double the amount of money you earn while working for Shipt? Some of the most successful Shipt shoppers know that the easiest way to double your income is by doing multiple orders. When Shipt advertises $22 or more an hour, they're talking about a lot more. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the steps that successful Shipt shoppers take to double the amount of money they earn each time they shop for Shipt. There's a lot of important information in this video that you're not going to want to miss out on. As a school bus driver, I had a lot of downtime. I started working for Shipt to make a little extra cash. As time passed, a little turned into a lot. Eventually, I was making better money during my lunch break. Through educating myself and trial and error, I've learned some easy-to-follow techniques that increase the amount of money that went into my pocket. In this channel, I'd like to share these strategies with you so we can all make more money working for Shipt. As a Shipt shopper, no matter if you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, it's intimidating taking two Shipt orders at the same time. There are three factors you want to consider when you're deciding whether to take a double order: the delivery time, the store location, and the amount of items that are in the combined shops. If you're a beginner, which I would consider someone under 30 shops, then you should start simple. Pick two orders that have delivery windows that run back to back. This gives you plenty of time to learn about Shipt's shopping list feature. You'll want to make sure that both orders are from the same store. Because you're learning, it's best to choose two orders that together don't overfill one cart. Find two orders that only have a few items each. Here's what that shop should look like. In this double order, you'll see that both shops take place in the same store. You can also see that the delivery times are an hour apart. This is a perfect opportunity for a new shopper's first double order. The first thing you should do is set up your shopping list. Click on your order. See where it says Add to Shopping List? Click on that. You can now see that this order has been added to your shopping list. Go ahead and click on your second order and do the same thing. You can see now that both orders have been added to your shopping list. When you click on that top icon, both of your orders are added together. This makes shopping a double very easy, as the orders are now color-coded. Don't forget to send out your initial text letting your customers know that you've started the shop. At this point, some new shoppers like to take themselves off of the schedule so they don't keep getting new notifications while they're shopping. This is how you set up your grocery cart. Have two insulated bags. On one side is where you'll keep your red items. Any item that belongs to the red customer goes inside the bag or on that side of the cart. On the other side is where you keep your green items. On the bottom is where you keep your larger items. In the child seat is where you keep your fragile items. These yellow zones are neutral. You can put items from either order in them. Here's how you keep track. Get two markers, one red and one green. Hook them onto your bag. This will help you keep track of which bag have which items in them. So as you shop from your shopping list, you'll see a red or a green banner on the top. This banner will let you know which customer you're shopping for. If you'll be placing the item in a neutral zone, simply take the marker and on the UPC code, tag your item. Once you've completed the shop, your items will either be in their proper bag or clearly tagged on the UPC code. The insulated bags are a great way to keep the items separated in the cart. You'll discover quickly that doing double orders raises your income substantially. Once you get comfortable with how double orders work, you'll find yourself doing larger orders quicker, which allows you to do double orders more often. In this next example, I'll show you the different ways that you should use while shopping two larger orders. Here, you'll see two large orders that have the same delivery time. The key to succeeding here is to plan ahead. Time management is your most important first step. Knowing when to arrive at the store and how long it'll take you to shop is key to succeeding. You'll want to do these shop individually. Your first shop should be the one with lesser items. Grab a cart and do the shop like you would any other order. Once you've completed the shop, grab a bag of ice out of the cooler and place it on top of your insulated bag. Take that full cart and find an isolated part of the store. Let an employee know that you have more shopping to do and ask them to please not return the items. Grab yourself another cart and start working on the second half of your double order. Be aware that at any time, either customer could text you and add on items. If this happens, try to take care of that item right away so that it doesn't get left behind. Once you've completed the order, grab your first cart, return the bag of ice, and head to the checkout. You're going to always want to make sure to keep these two carts separate. You never want to mix up the two orders. Check out the smaller order first. This helps keep you organized. Unload all of the items onto the belt and then count the number of items you have to make sure that it matches with the order. Now, a great way to keep these orders separate is by having one order in plastic and one order in paper bags. Once the cashier is done with the first order and I am done processing the order, I find it easier to rebag the first order in paper instead of asking the bagger to do that for me. This way, I'm 100% sure that the groceries go to the right order. When you're loading it up into your car, it's easy to keep the orders separate by having one side paper and one side plastic. Here's another tip to make sure the order gets to the right address. Write the house number to the street address on one of the bags. This helps ensure that the customer gets the right groceries. As you get better at doing double orders, you'll find that your income rises quickly. It's common sense. The more double orders you take, the more money you make. Once you become an expert at double orders, you'll have the ability to do Shipt full-time. For these orders, I did 2 different shops during 2 different time frames at 2 different store locations. Now, I know that sounds like 2 single orders, but you can shop them like a double. In this example, you're scheduled to shop your first store, then deliver to your first customer. After that, you'll drive to your second store and then deliver to your second customer. But there's a much easier way to do these 2 orders together. Shop both orders at the first store location. Treat these 2 orders as a double order. Doing this eliminates the need to shop at the second store location. It's a good idea to let your customer know that you'll be shopping at a different store location. You are now making twice the amount of money in half of the time. You never want to pass up on a great paying order, but sometimes you get offers for 2 different stores during the same hour time frame. Once you get familiar with how double orders work, what was once impossible is now obtainable. Let me show you how I handle 2 different stores with the same delivery time window. You'll notice on this challenging double that both shops are at different stores, but the delivery window is the same. Reach out to your customer and see if you can open up that delivery window a little bit. Grabbing an extra 15 minutes will really help you out. Once you know the plan, get shopping. Grabbing doubles like these can be very challenging. Along with knowing the layout of the store and the traffic patterns, I would factor in the time of day concerning how busy the store is and how many people are on the road. It's important not just to get the job done, but to get the job done right. When it comes to double orders, not just knowing how to do them, but time management is key. You need to have a level head and know how to adapt to any situation. Let's just say the customer wasn't available for early delivery. You just need to change your game plan and get the job done right. These are the same 2 orders and how I would have handled them if the first customer wasn't available for early delivery. Now here's the most important thing to know about doing any double orders. If either one of these orders are a promo, then that would be the order you deliver second. It's important to know that you don't get charged late on promo orders. Keep in communication with your customer and let them know you're running late will secure your tip. If you're worried about keeping your items cold while you're doing a double shop, consider the fact that most stores offer free ice. Go to the meat department and grab yourself a couple of plastic bags. This is Costco, where you can get ice right at the soda machine. The same is true at Publix. Grab yourself a bag in the produce department and head to the soda machine. Don't go crazy. I'm sure they're not going to appreciate you grabbing all their ice. Throwing this small bag of ice inside your insulated bag along with your cold items will help keep them cold along the way. And if you're looking for insulated bags, Costco has them at a pretty good price. There's no doubt about it. Learning how to do double orders is a great way to make a lot of money working for Shipt. I make these videos so you can quickly and easily get the information you need and get on your way. But if any of the information is wrong or needs to be adjusted, please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.